front of me is Google Pixel 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by launching Settings and clicking on Connected Devices. Then select Connection Preferences and click on Printing. Following that, you can tap on one of your services, default or any downloaded one. Make sure that this switcher is on and wait. Your device is looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!